奏中华人民共和国国歌。
Social development in the last 70 years, especially in the last 40 years. And China is working to promote a community with shared future for mankind and carrying out more exchanges and mutual learning with Pakistan. As a non-profit public institution, Confucius Institute at the University of Karachi is dedicated to facilitating the learning of Chinese and promoting people-to-people contact between China and Pakistan. With 6 years of development, CRUK has become the largest Confucius Institute in Pakistan. 30 teachers, Chinese teachers and 2 Pakistani teachers of our institute provide Chinese language and cultural courses for more than 6,000 students in Confucius Institute and its teaching sites. Every year, a lot of cultural activities are organized by Confucius Institute to help Pakistani students understand Chinese language and culture. And this year, 30 students of CRUK had their first experience in China through summer camp program, and 30 students got scholarship to study in Chinese universities. Besides, we serve as a platform for
Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, the founding of People's Republic of China in 1949 ushers in a new era in the history of the transformation of the Chinese nation. The painful history of the Chinese nation, being invaded and enslaved for more than 100 years, was ended completely. The great historic event asserted that China has truly become an independent country. The Chinese people have become the masters of the country, and that the Chinese nation has won a historic rebirth. Over the past 70 years, China has made outstanding contribution to the world economy and global governance. China-Pakistan relationship is a model of relations between countries with different languages, histories, and cultures. No matter how the international landscape, regional situation, and domestic situation of the two countries, China-Pakistan relations have been enjoying sound and stable development.
如果爱你，绝不想把你玩得凌霄垮，借你的高级炫耀世界。
我如果爱你，抓不是把激情的鸟儿，无被利益重复单调的歌曲。
月不尽像春远，常年送来清凉的慰藉。月不尽像斜风，向着你的高度，衬托你的威力，升起日光，升起春雨。
不，这些都还不够，我的学习已经胖到溢出路面，所委屈的心想可以站在一起，更见我在。
ژاؤڈونگ Han, Pakistani director of Confucius Institute and University of Karachi. Distinguished guests, dear teachers and students, Assalamu alaikum, good afternoon. As you 10 days ago, the Chinese Consulate General in Karachi held a grand reception in the PC Hotel, where all the young, vigorous Chinese teachers from Confucius Institute and Karachi University performed 4 wonderful programs to the audience. They got a great applause. Today we are gathering here to again celebrate state relations. Nowadays, about 25 Pakistani students are studying in China, and more than 7,000 of them obtained various kinds of scholarship. We will provide more scholarships to Pakistani young students.
蓝天临帖，心书如行云流水，月下门推，心系如你脚步随。忙不迭，千年碑，他却难踏你的美，真迹绝，真心能给谁？ 牧笛横吹，红酒小菜有几年？这心海深回，无着的深回，你都知道。天下相信云下爱，东升千里外，心自成一脉。今夜万家灯火时。 或许可唱我梦中佳境开，天下相信云相爱，东升千里外，心自成一脉。今夜万家灯火时，或许可唱我梦中佳境开。
Pakistan and China have cordial relations ever since the establishment of the People's Republic of China in 1949. And over a period of decades, this relation has been tested many times. And this relation is not only at a government level, but also among the peoples of the two countries. Joint venture of CPEC is considered as a milestone in the strength of Sino-Pak relation. Karachi University, as all of you know, it is contributing and playing its role in this friendship in the form of Confucius Institute at University of Karachi. And I am very much hopeful that the Confucius Institute will be flourish further in the coming years, and I know that the Director Confucius Institute, both from representing China and representing University of Karachi, Dr. Nasiruddin Khan, he is doing a hard work to flourish more this institute for language purpose. Finally, I once again thankful to all of you and hopeful for a bright and successful future of this Confucius Institute in Pakistan. Thank you.
归去，唯恐中楼宇，高处不胜寒，起舞心音，何似在人间。
家中有儿些要开始挣扎，松柏中累累，独从国度入，只从梁上飞。星月荡，万瑞思乡土西方自由的在荒芜。手中坚定，却有表现的勇气。我会变上巨人，打起力气，赛期望。怎么大风越狠，我心越